Hey folks, Bobby here today. I want to show you real quick how to use a die, okay? This is a tool that we use to cut threads or straighten threads. Today we're going to be using it just to straighten some threads on this old hub here, okay? Notice that there's some rust and everything on these threads, and we want to get these cleaned up, okay? So let's we're going to put just a dab of oil on all of them, because we're going to do one right after the other. Just a little bit of oil there, and that's like a machine cutting oil. And we're going to start right here. Now notice that a die has a larger opening on one side than the other. It's actually tapered to where it actually will cut threads if you're cutting new threads onto a piece of rod that didn't have any threads. So we want to use the bigger end toward the stud. And we want to, since we're just using it to straighten threads, we're just going to kind of put it on by hand. We want to get it started. We have a 1-inch socket here that we can actually just spin this down by hand if we want to, just to straighten threads. And you can feel it when it reaches bottom. And then you can just spin it right back off. Now, if we were cutting threads, we would definitely have to have a ratchet, and we would have to put a little bit of force on here to use this. But guys, that's how you use a die, okay? It's a handy tool to have in your toolbox. They usually come in sets. This is actually a Craftsman. I have had this set since I was about 18 years old, and I'm 55 years old. So these things last a long time, and if they ever do break, they are a lifetime guarantee, and you can get them replaced. But having taps and dies are handy tools to have when you're fixing something, okay? When you have stripped threads, or if you need to cut some new threads. Guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you next time. Take care.